Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about XRP. Let's dive in. Right, guys, now like you can see on the chart, we got like small bounce, and it's because that Trump say again something about the crypto reserve in the United States. I think they will approve it, and I think they already accumulate before more than enough XRP, Solana, Litecoin, BTC, Ethereum, and other tokens. So they will start accumulating at this current prices, guys. You have to understand it. It never worked like this one. So if in media, even some politic or so, start talk about some good things for the crypto, it means it's already happened. It's just a small media trick, to give you the thoughts. Oh, at $2.56, it's too early, still early to buy the XRP, for example. So yes, we might be go to 100 for sure. So we're still early, but guys, don't be trapped. And the main things what I would like to tell you, it's not only about XRP. They don't care about a time. They get a lot of money for a living, live the best life, They not struggle, so they don't care when this token pump from $2.56, for example, to $5, if we will pump. They absolutely don't care about a timing because they invest a lot of money, and if they know one day when they will need it, right, they will pump this token and cash out, withdraw initial deposit, and they got a like 50% or 100% profit. They can wait even 2 years more. I don't think so, of course. So we will go in 2 years more in this sideways, right? And then pump. No, I don't think so. Technically, I think it looks like, and I will explain it once again why this the check mark. So we got like impulse, sideways impulse, drop. Looks weird, absolutely weird. How is it even possible? So in one day, we dump it from $3 to $1.77. And people talk about a dump now. Take a look on this candle. So this is weird. And so we come back, close 50% of this weak candle, grab all of this liquidity, test it. Just test it. So this is kind of bad. Just tested the monthly gap. And we can come back. And I think more than we will come back to that gap. So here, and around 50% is going to be $1.23, but not now. I don't think so. The March, April, May will be bearish one. So most likely, the worst case scenario, I think, is it's a sideways here, April, May, summer, chop, drop, bounce in autumn, new all-time high. The best case scenario, because we will save the time, if March, April, May, we hit the target. After that, maybe summer on some, I don't know, based on what, but we can dump from $4 to close the monthly gap, this one, or even a little bit lower. And after that bounce, not hit new all-time high and go into the bear market. In 2020, by end of 2025, 2026. So now two time periods. So it's spring 2025 and autumn 2025. Sorry, the K moments, what we have to pay attention for. Monthly gap, believe it or not, but sooner or later, anyway, we will drop and close that one. Why this target? Because here, you remember the FIB, this one. So this is absolutely the same FIB what I drew before, and mark since the April 2021. So this was a top, drop, support, 27 block, retest going higher. Now we take a look, we retest it till penny 86 level by FIB, bounce. So I would like to see something, like where that channel. Of course, I'm not a fan of channels, right? Because I already made a video about this one. So channels is just in hypothetical stuff. So how we can know this is a starting point of this one? We can't know. So technically, yes, it can be the channel, but it's impulse. Let's say this is a correction, impulse, retested, channel, and the road is open here. So when it can be the April, beginning of April. So let's mark the just interior, the vertical line. Something like this one here, or I don't know, it can be here by end of April. We can hit the $4.08. Is this possible? So we're gonna hit by end of May, let's say here, this one, the $5.39. Yes, possible, because we can't know where the starting point. So it just in theory, you know, so the channel can be like this one, right? So extend it here. Maybe this is a channel. Guys, that's why we can draw the different variations of the channels, right? So maybe this is a TART, this is equilibrium. Looks legit, right? So now we should move like this one, trade it here, close it, then down and out of that channel. So this is how it can looks like. Or it can be like this one. Bam, hit and going down. But anyway, guys, we can't know the timing. We can't know. Just to be sure, right? So because a lot of people wait some time periods, and they ask this often, can I invest now like 1K and wait the XRP will pump because I need the money by end of June? It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad habit of investment. You can't trying to control the market and trying to adjust the market to your life, because you need to go to vacation and you need to now invest some money and get some returns. Guys, it's a gambling. You can't risk your family comfort, right? Just because you want to gamble by luck. So it's not about the right money management, right, guys? It's not always it's about the charts. It's about the right your lifestyle, how you work with your money. So this is a way, I think, yes, that we will see. I can be absolutely wrong, guys. Absolutely. It's just my personal thoughts. Here, we got like confirmations. 2 confirmation. Why it's giving me the confidence? So these levels are legit. So here we got like, imagine the fee built since the April 21. And here we tested 86, confirmation support, first level support. And the next step should be 2.61, $4.08, and 361, 539. Of course, with some weak candles or so. So I don't think so. This is the end of cycle for the XRP, definitely. But also at the same time, I don't think so. We will go to $10 or $20 or $25 or $100. Guys, it's every single cycle. It's just a random price targets for XRP because of Ripple, because of blah, blah, blah. Guys, don't be trapped with that things. Let's take a look with indicator SAB, what's going on now. AZZ direction market move. So here, it was a signal to sell. Now, let's go back to XRP USD. This is a global chart, historical one. ADZ I can't show it because it's on the crypto, you know, ticker, not from exchange. This is a fee, by the way, from top January 18. 20-cent block, 38 level fee, 20-cent block, bounce. Here's also the same story. So the levels are legit even here. So 38, bounce, reject this level. Next step, it's $4.82. So yes, with some weak scandal, we can hit around the $5. Imagine the euphoria, the madness on XRP, while we will be around that $5. It's going to be the biggest euphoria ever, even the bigger than Bitcoin ETF. Also, guys, pay attention. We never seen in the history the signals on the indicator direction, you know, the signals for potential sell all the time, every single cycle. It was it's good to analyze all the charts because it's give you the more information, right? How to work with the asset. Here, we never seen this signals. So yes, of course, we get room for growth for the last pump, for example, but keep in mind it can be from this current prices where we're now with $2.50. So it can be like, yes, around $100, 100%, 85%. Is it okay for your risk management, right? To invest now while you're not buying XRP here, if you believe in XRP. Technically, also here is a bigger euphoria than it was in 2021 or even January 18. So guys, this is it. This is it. This is a fact. Money power trade on historical chart. Sell, drop, buy back, sell, buy back, sell. It's a weekly time frame. Buy back, buy. Imagine only one time in history On the weekly time frame, we saw the signal to buy. It's tell us a lot of things. So this indicators also works. So here was a money inflow, pump, money outflow. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, we got a money outflow by end of November, beginning of December. So they're not trying to sell at the top. That's why we got a signal to sell confirmation. Of course, it's like 44% dump. And on a daily time frame, you could track that signals more clearly. And now the next step is can be $4.82, 727, but I don't think so. We're gonna hit 727. So the money power here. Take a look at the take profit at the last one indicator. So definitely we trade way over exit line. So believe it or not, but sooner or later we're gonna test the buy line. Buy line now is 61 cents. So I'm not telling you we're gonna drop now, but I think we will see something like this one. Let me show you something like this one and then test. It's going to be the 50% of the monthly gap. So guys, buy now or not, it's only up to you. Zone of accumulation, I showed you. A zone for potential correction, I showed you. I'll recommend you not skip the posts, keep the updates on TradingView, and keep the updates on Telegram. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed in this video, just write in the DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.